Add your Oreo cookies into a Ziploc bag and smash them until you get nice and crumb consistency. Add cream cheese along with mascarpone cheese in a bowl, then add icing sugar and vanilla extract and mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. In a different bowl, add your double or heavy cream and whisk that until nice soft peaks. Add your soft whipped cream into your cream cheese mixture and mix everything together for a few seconds. Then divide the mixture into 2 different bowls. Add Nutella into one bowl. I like to add a lot of Nutella. Mix it through and then add cocoa powder and mix it again. In a different bowl, we're also going to add cocoa powder and then followed by red food coloring. Mix that all together and then add more red food coloring until you get the desired color. Add your biscuit base into your pan, then add melted butter, mix everything together and press into your pan. Then add your Nutella cheesecake at the bottom, spread it around. Then we're going to add fresh strawberries all over. Lastly, we're going to add our red cheesecake on top and just spread it around and make sure it's nice and even. Place that into the freezer overnight. Now to make your mirror glaze, you can watch my recipe. I'll leave all the links below. I'm mixing different colors of mirror glaze and then I'm going to pour this over the frozen cake and create a beautiful black color with different patterns. Then take white mirror glaze and swipe across the cake to create a nice effect. Make sure you take off the excess from the bottom so the cake is not sticky. Cover your cake with extra Oreo cookies and use any decoration that you like. And here you have it, beautiful Nutella strawberry cheesecake with mirror glaze.